Well, hold on. Is that you trying to phone me? Oh, hold on.
Oh yeah.
Aye, you're there, I hear you.
Yep, right. Let's get this mile per hour thing sorted and we're cooking with fucking gas.
Gas. Well, if anybody guessed right, it's a V-STROM, the 800RE. Hey.
Right, let's go.
Let's go. And it's only got 4 miles on the clock.
Are your lights on?
Aye, think so. Oh god, the pegs are awfully low down on this.
Even better.
Aye. This is what you would call like a first impression video, eh?
Aye, it's good, eh?
Aye. Itchy nose.
Wait.
Tell you, the mirrors are actually good in this. Quite close to me compared to the Honda. And obviously the Bandit, the mirrors were at the front, eh?
You're now sitting up the way. Feel the difference?
Aye. Aye, a big difference, Alec. That's me done 6 miles now. I'll tell you though, it's not as buzzy as I thought it would be.
It's what?
It's not as buzzy. I thought it would be quite buzzy, eh?
You mean buzzy?
Well, it doesn't have handguards. I thought it came with handguards.
Wait, you didn't tell me it had handguards. Light's better.
The light? Wait.
Light, your headlight.
Aye, well wait till I get the bars on it.
How does the gear change feel?
Nice, smooth. It's the corner now, the cornering's really good. Now I'll maybe knock that screen up. Feel a bit of buffeting round about the helmet.
The screen's pretty upright, isn't it?
It's nice though, I like it.
The bike's cracking.
Yeah. That suspension's nice in it. Totally different in the corners compared to the Honda and the
Totally.
GSX, totally different.
But it's great having your jeans on. Fucking so much more comfortable in this weather.
Aye. I'm looking at it, I don't feel any wind on my legs.
Are you on?
This is going to take a wee bit of getting used to riding in this position.
Never go back to you know that?
Yeah.
I just find it really comfy.
It is comfortable, I must say. It's like sitting on a bloody armchair.
Aye.
I can see why they're popular bikes.
See why people like GS's, eh?
Yeah.
This is the riding position. I've stopped coming up to junctions and trying to balance it. I just stop now, then look left, right, and then fucking go.
Yeah. No, I'm a balancer myself.
Colour's nice. It is nice. It's not really green, is it?
No, it's steel green or something.
It's a nice colour.
Told you. I'm looking forward to getting some miles under my belt with this and
Well,
feeling what it's like.
where do you fancy going tomorrow?
Wherever you want, anywhere.
Done Cupar Fast Lane this year already. Doing that again.
Aye, we've done that already. We can do that later on in the year.
Done Dumfries.
Done Dumfries.
But Newcastle run.
Aye, alright when you're doing Newcastle, or if you fancy the Highlands again. Well, you done the Highlands last week. Glencoe would be good, aye.
Yeah, Glencoe.
Yeah.
Yeah, you used to the bike going to the Green Valley.
Oh, are you still there? Cut me off. Lost Alex. The phone signal's either died or he's pressed a button and cut me off. Well, this is a new V-STROM, new to me, brand new, totally new, and so far I'm loving it. Totally different riding position, so I'm going to have to get used to that. It just feels a wee bit more relaxed. Definitely need to get handguards for it, because I'm so used to having handguards and having my hands kept warm. Right, we're going to make a stop here. Obviously get the phones reconnected because they've cut out for some reason, and we're having problems with the cardos. Aye. Aye, I need to memorise them. Because it cut out. Answer. Answer. Hello.
That's it.
Aye.
Sound.
It wouldn't answer when I said answer. That looks fucking bra.
It's cracking, isn't it?
Aye. It's cracking. They could have made the exhaust look a bit better, eh?
That's fucking fine. It's fine.
But you know what I'm like with shiny things, eh?
It's a business.
Aye.
Superb.
Nice, eh?
Absolutely.
Is yours the one touch start?
Nah. Technology.
Aye.
You go first, I'll follow you.
Right, okay. Cancel that into gear. That's second, I want first. Just getting used to this seat height, eh?
Aye.
How does my ass look?
That looks... It's what?
How does my ass look?
Looks good.
Brilliant. Look at that climbing, eh? That's fucking amazing, eh?
How the fuck can I just sit in here?
I know. So I'm starting to bank. It's a wee bit high, like, eh?
You should drop the seat.
Aye. So that would take it down. If I dropped the seat, it would take it down a bit, eh?
Yep. I mean, I've got my tiptoes in the ground as well, the same as you.
Yeah. Cracking day though, eh?
Oh, beautiful.
I'll maybe get used to this seat height, Alec.
Well,
Once I've done 2 or 3 stops, eh?
see by the end of tomorrow you'll be absolutely fine with it.
Yeah.
See, you put your left foot down and my left foot's down and they're fully planted.
And left foot. Aye, I'll get used to this. So do I look like?
Used to this fucking.
So do I look like a proper adventure rider now?
Well, I just went to scratch my fucking nose and the sun visor was there.
Aye.
Looks cracking, honestly.
Yeah.
Just a baby one of these.
Aye.
Itchy under my glasses.
Aye.
Bastards.
This could do with a wee clean. It's got all the fucking storage dust on it.
Leave it till we come back tomorrow.
Aye. I'll not have time to clean it today. No with all the stuff I've got to do, eh?
It's not very clear for the road to go, does it?
Nah. There's no need for this. Oh, because they're working on that mobile phone mast. Absolute shite.
That mobile phone mast could get moved that way.
Of course it could. Because you can see their idea when they built this road, eh? I mean, look how wide it is.
No.
They obviously had plans to make this a dual carriageway.
That'll never happen.
Nah, no danger. Right, we've just left Alex and it's me just to get home now. I'm actually enjoying this, it's really comfortable. Really comfortable. It's maybe just a little bit too tall for me, but I'm pretty sure I'll get used to that. But failing that, I can just order a low seat height. I'll maybe try John's low seat on this, just to see if it makes any difference. But I don't think I'll need a low seat height, to be honest with you, because I stopped there no problem. If I put 1 foot down I'm fine, but 2 feet I'm on the balls. Or just above the balls of my feet. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, I must say. I'm really happy. Well, that's me just about home. So on that note, I'll just wrap the video up here. This is my new 2025 Suzuki DL800RE V-STROM, and first impressions so far, done about 50 miles on it. Yeah, I love it, it's comfortable, it's nice, but it is going to take a little while to get used to. So no doubt Alex and I will be going out a nice long ride tomorrow and take the bike on its maiden voyage. Anyway guys, on that note, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.